Let's see if I can videotape some snow. This is outside our French doors upstairs. And there's about a, I don't know, 12-inch drop from that door down onto the deck. And then you see how high up the door the snow comes. You can see the snow on the deck, how deep it is. Incredible. Out towards the back, you see the Blazer, and in front of ours, her car. There's a huge drift that's got to be about 7 to 8 foot tall, and we have no idea how far back it goes. That's how we get out of our driveway, so that has to be plowed out before we can get anywhere. So it's pretty bad. I don't know if you can see, there's a halo around the sun. Usually we have sun dogs. It must be so cold it's going around the whole sun. There you can see it on the other side. It goes all the way around. And that's called sun dogs, and that tells you how cold it is outside. The wind chill, I think, right now is -36 or so.
It's time for it to go out.
So we're going to have to get the snow off the deck, though, because that's several feet worth of snow. It's kind of hard to get it on the camera so you can see it really well. And then I don't know if you can see him, but our puppy's out there in the kennel. So nice and cold out there, poor doggy. And he's got straw in his box, and they're gonna go feed him pretty soon. Poor doggy. But he's okay. Anyway, there's some snow. Anybody who wants to come and get some can have it.